Have you ever wondered about the different types of herbs and their uses? Herbs are an essential part of both culinary delights and natural remedies. In this journey, we'll explore a variety of herbs, their flavors, and healing properties. Let's dive in and explore the world of herbs. First up, we have culinary herbs, the flavor powerhouses of the kitchen. Take basil, for instance, a sweet savory staple in Italian cuisine that can transform a simple tomato salad into a gourmet delight. Moving on to rosemary, its piney essence is a perfect match for roasted meats and potatoes. Then there's thyme, a versatile herb that adds a subtle depth to sauces, stews, and even beverages. Remember, these herbs are not just for flavor, but can also offer some health benefits. Next, we delve into the realm of medicinal herbs, ancient remedies that continue to prove their worth. Echinacea, often praised for its immune-boosting properties. Lavender, a fragrant herb known to aid relaxation and sleep. And chamomile, a gentle herb traditionally used for calming an upset stomach and promoting sleep. Each of these has a storied history in traditional medicine, offering potential health benefits even today. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new herbal remedies. Now that you know a bit more about herbs, why not try growing your own? It's surprisingly straightforward. Begin by selecting a sunny spot, as most herbs prefer at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Care for your plants by watering them regularly, but avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. When the time comes to harvest, snip off the top third of the plant to encourage new growth. Growing your own herbs can be a rewarding and delicious hobby. So there you have it, a brief introduction to the world of herbs. We've explored the flavorful culinary varieties, the potent medicinal types, and even touched on growing these green gems at home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Happy gardening!